So there are multiple reasons. First of all, it's safe. So it's a contactless research methodology, which means that it can be done fully remotely. This means that there's no risk whatsoever to the participant, who is usually a patient, and that's extremely important given the times we're in right now. Secondly, it's private. So mobile ethnography, think about it as a one-to-one private connection between a researcher and a research participant who's typically a patient. Okay, so because it's private, it's extremely valuable for sensitive research topics where respondents will be extremely unlikely to open up in a group format, for example. Thirdly, it's asynchronous. So this is particularly important for hard-to-reach healthcare professionals. So with mobile ethnography, HCPs can do the research in their own time without the hassle of having to schedule meetings or actually traveling to meet you. And this makes it much more convenient for them to complete it when they've got some time in their everyday schedules. Mobile ethnography is contextual. So the reality is participants are completing tasks and sharing their data from the privacy and the comfort and the security of their own homes. So as a result, what you get to see is a much rawer, richer lens into what's really happening in their everyday lives, and that richness and that rawness can give you a whole new perspective on what's really happening and what the patient experience is really like. Finally, mobile ethnography is a longitudinal research methodology. So this means that the research can take place over several days, several weeks, or even several months. So we have multiple studies that have been going on for multiple months at a time. So what this does is it gives you, the researcher, time to properly get to know the patient and accurately map their patient journeys.